Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to my watercolor channel. I've made some changes to this space, so if you've already been around or if you're new, I'd love to give you the grand tour so you know how to get the best out of your time here based on what you're interested in. And like everything else, I'll keep it short and sweet. If you don't even know me yet, hi, I'm Chris V, an artist, designer, watercolor teacher, and desert dweller living in the Mojave in the Southwest US. I teach on Skillshare and I'm a watercolor course creator, but I wanted an extra space where I could share tips, techniques, and little things I've learned along the way. Plus, host challenges to help you build your skills. I'm reorganizing this channel so you can go directly to what you're interested right when you need it. For those of you who have been here a while, I know you've been used to weekly videos, but since I had my big tech thing happen late last year, I won't elaborate about this here in this video. But I've been rebuilding things on the back end of my creative business, and I just need extra time so I can work on that. So I'll be posting a video every 10 days for now. Since the Your Watercolor Summer Challenge and the Fall Watercolor Collection Themes Challenge were so much fun last year, I'm now doing a year-long challenge in videos where I'll paint a different project for you each time, while taking you through my thoughts and process for each one. My concept for this is to capture my normal life in watercolors with paintings of things going on, activities I'm engaging in, landscapes of where I live, and ordinary everyday objects sitting right in front of me. I want it to be a type of visual journal, and I think it's going to be really fun to see what I end up with at the end of the year. I'll post prompts for you to follow along, and I really hope you do. Since I'm also a surface designer, I'm a huge advocate for creating collections with my watercolor paintings and seeing what more I can do with them besides hanging them on a wall. I even have a Skillshare class on this topic as well, and a bigger course which you can learn about via the links in the description below. If you haven't seen these, they are short, fun versions of my videos and extra stuff I'm sharing. They're kind of like Instagram stories, except in the shorts, these are snippets of longer videos I've posted, which you can actually click through to the longer version if you like what you see and you want to learn more. Posts are still photos with descriptions, kind of like Instagram carousel posts, and you can find them by clicking on Community all the way on the right. I don't do as many of those, but that could change going forward. This space is for the replays after I go live. I haven't done much of that here, and what I have I've taken down because it wasn't relevant anymore, but if you're interested in seeing me go live so you can ask questions and engage, please let me know. This is something I'm definitely open to. The last section I want to show you is called playlists, and that's where I put groups of videos like challenge lessons, Skillshare classes, tips, and other topics. I really hope that while you're here, you also join my Facebook group, where members can post the artwork they create for challenges or even just for fun, so you can get feedback and get your questions answered. The group also acts in tandem with the painting videos because I love having a spot at the end where I can show off the work you share in the group. But rest assured, I'll always ask your permission first. You can find a link to join the group below in the description. I also can't wait to see you in the comments where I welcome you to share your own experiences, tips, and thoughts. I also encourage you to tell me what you'd like to learn next with watercolors. So basically, this is a watercolor channel loaded with tips and techniques, painting challenges, a community, real-time advice for creative people with a side of surface design. I think that sums it up. If this sounds like a fun place to hang out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos coming out. Thanks for taking the tour, and I'll see you very soon.